Hello, friends. This is our ABC writing tablet, page 17 and 18. We're going to be practicing our letter O's. All right, and we know that O is for our ostrich friend who had a sore throat, and the doctor told him to say, "ah," and he says, "ah, ah." All right, so our lowercase o is in the downstairs under the dotted line, and it's going to be a ball, around, around and around. All right, and then our uppercase O, our big O, is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. And it's a bigger ball. Around, around, and around. Good. Now trace the O on the capital O on this sub sandwich for olive. Ah, ah. Good. Slip it over on the back. All right. This is a capital A that's for our apple, and we bite into an apple, and there was a worm in it. We're going to say, ah, 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 ah. All right, it's in the capital A is in the upstairs and the downstairs. Slant, slant, and then a push across the dotted line. All right, lowercase a is in the downstairs under the dotted line. It's a ball with a pull down. All right, so practice that. Slant, slant, push across. A ball with a pull down. Slant, slant, push across. A ball with a pull down. All right, and then practice your uppercase and lowercase o again. It says ah, around, 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 around. All right, so we're going to trace the letters on the animals for d, ah, g. This is the vowel o for that middle sound ah in dog. D, ah, g. So here's the letter O. Next, we have a picture of a frog. 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 We hear ah in the middle, right? All right, next we have a rat. At. Rat. We have the sound. So we do a round with a pull down. Next we have a cat. Cat. So that vowel sound in the middle is the letter A, around with a pull down. So I noticed something very special about these two guys right here. Dog and frog. I hear the og sound at the end. Those are rhyming words. And then what about rat and cat? Those are rhyming words too. Good. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Please do your very best on your work. I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye.